Fofoofo TV. Yes, we a business person. We turn them free China, Turkey, and Dubai, about Ghana. Do you know, say you can buy goods and ship them to Ghana from China with a rate as low as $230. Yeah, we mean it, $230. If we will charge it 330, if we will charge it 310, if we will charge it 290. But with Fofoofo Imports, they say they charge you $230 for a CBM. Yes, the hands over there, we joining Fofoofo Brunya promotion you're running. Now, what benefited this great discount you're running on our services. Yeah, and you now obey. Say, open say be a auto nema free China. One can sell to me to name and now pay agents. Yes, you can use Fofoofo Imports. And now say, I've now started business we name idea be a farm. Open say, Obu. Yes, Fofoofo Imports by then. Best on sir, I check your processing. No idea. Also, to name a free China. And now create mobile so you then Abagana. You with me a pure supplier car or China amount. So sooner you with me I then at Toneman Casa amount either will do Ghana. The hands over there very relaxing for some few weeks. Now on Neman I will do Ghana. Yes, but before that, I saw we join the Fofoofo Imports Abusia. Yes, your site I friend Fofoofo.com. And to be we register your site so yes, your services so far with me I use your site now. And I place order, which is say buy for me service here or no. And you can use that process and tell us everything that you want to buy. Yes, and you be made make sure first use this buy for me service. Yeah, Fofoofo Imports will buy and ship for you. Yeah, and you make sure process now ready and first I'll be logging in. And I'll be signing up on Fofoofo Imports. And you said I'm Oba Google na oba Fofoofo.com na the site maybe send here. Enti say we will be a create account crowd your site and so on. No one say about login or register no so. O click this one, I go page now where then over sign up. And now so we to click on get started so. Now Friday I do call the same page. Enti now say me what get started this one. Yeah, it be login form na then amount but we will be our account today. Wait, go ahead and log in with username no password. But create account crowd and no answer about register na was here saying so. Okay, click this one. It will be forms we here amount. It's the first one. Your din. Second one. Your phone number. Third one. Your email. And it's all fill forms we na. And me go through process now. After who start here. And me bo me din. After me number show. Nti number no so na we start no. We can do +233. I then add the kind of detective or country code no. Yeah, so nti say me ni say 233. I bet detective say okay, we Ghana. To be not cleaning +233 now why enter or phone contact without a zero. Nti maybe I'm in my email I shall. Yes, 80. With the email show over down I saw country no or type Ghana, or city Accra, zip code, unim zip code and answer what they just 233 I shall. And also acceptable. Then why enter our address. Now about username. Username no be create a long username. Yeah, ain't. Now, me have my password. We are not sure confirm password as an boy view. Until what we win in win. No me register. Say, be okay. A wedding. A baba saying, she said, I say success, you have successfully registered. please check your email for further information. That message which you say, you will send you details of username and no password. And in case if you ever lose your details, and once I'll go back to your email, now I'll access this info. Now they will logging in. And see, back to sign in now. Then you will create, you will enter the username and the password now. You create it, you know. Then let me enter. Yes, and see, we login in now. Login na see na site net here. Nti may explain something few I will say actual. Oba down here shipment summary. First one pre-alert. And second one packages registered. Nti see there sa two na be ka ho ase. Nti pre-alert no ye say which me aka kire Fofoofo Import say okay me pe say monto nema we mame. Nti wo be ma ye nema na open no with the links and our image with together with description bia where then open products no na after all the amount of Fofoofo Imports. And say who use your site now every buy for me alert bia we create bia na be record what I say. And say for Fofoofo Imports so you process bia we na you send email you send invoice of the estimated order now why now. And it's very recorded what I say. This one is package registered. And it says send you invoice. But who say okay, I'll let now create here no. Yeah, process it. I then amount very recorded what I say. And you go through buy for me system there. Into what top I say now under but we are proof and one won't say you'll buy for me or to click this one. And these are the buy for me forms. And first now be the item name. And the item name no ube enter at the corner out on it. Then no about store or supplier. And so the change say if you have a to free AliExpress, Alibaba, 1688, Dubai, Turkey, and also person auto cars cry, yeah, bit my thing. I select it. Any of this platform that you want your item to be bought from. Enti me select it back on. Me ba down has to say item URL / purchase from. Enti where you say via your top free fan and now to say link item corona person auto obitima paste the exact link of the product. If you have person free a specific supplier or with my then I paste that same link, then we will use that to buy your item for you. And I also say, if you don't have any item and any link, you just type anything here because you don't have to leave these forms blank. Hence, you can just type anything, even though say a very error there. But as I mentioned, you bit more use a different way of determine what you want to buy. That's uploading an image. Yes, and has you insert item URL, and now to say you don't have any supplier in mind that you can type anything over here. Then about purchase price. Okay, so purchase price. One thing is at times oko 1688, and I say oko Alibaba price go how you become more convinced, and to why you say sir now better item and this suppliers and sometimes they just put lower price for people to keep coming to their stores. And in order to determine a real price, you have to talk to the suppliers. And with this one, you can type any number and now say the exact same number now supplier and they are 200. You can type it over here, but that doesn't mean that that's the actual price that you are going to use to buy the product. Now about shipping costs. Shipping costs most of the times they come based on the supplier locations. And suppliers go they give shipping costs for free. Maybe so how much charge once that you're placing the order. And that one too is something that you cannot just see unless you are processing the buying method. Until you can also put a number as a shipping cost. Then with the quantity in there, it shouldn't be any just number. It should be the number that you want. And if it's a top 5 head setter, you just put 5 over there. I'll put it 3. Then package description. Package description, you say, me pay adiri, me pay color say, me pay size say, until you type the description according to what you want. Now then, you're based on that one, they are also ato adena amount. Any details and extra info be our person and we can put them here in the package description box. Then your shipping mode. And the shipping mode, your air flight and ocean flight. And see, so far, these two are the regular ones that is going on, and that is active. And which my found one for air, you can use the air flight, and also use ocean, so you can use the ocean flight. Yes. And to select one of these, then the last process is an image. Yes, so necessary so we add the image of what you want. So that you know the exact thing you want to buy. Yes. And like I said at the URL section, in case you have image but you don't have the link, so you can type anything over here and then come and upload the image over here. So we will just use the image and purchase the product for you. Yeah. So that's it. See now by then, we'll fill the forms now. And you are filling in now, now but next, we are almost done. Yes, and after placing this order now, Fofoofo Imports will receive an alert. And Fofoofo Imports, when we receive an alert now, we will just do the process for you and send you the cost of what you are going to buy. Yes, and you send the cost now, you will notice if you have a email, you best send the invoice no inside your email, and you can also read the invoice from your dashboard over here. Yeah, so that's it. See now where then we place the order of Fofoofo Imports using the buy for me service. Order in say sometimes people think that we are selling the product here, so they want to buy it here straight forward. It's not like that. You are just telling us what you want to buy from 1688, either Dubai, Turkey, and I say Alibaba. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm actually people say shipping name anything every China will be our a shipping name and open a very low rate agency. My just come to Fofoofo Imports and trust me, you will never regret it. Yes, so that's it for the day, and my name is Bernard. Say open any more details, just contact us through the line that's appearing on the screen. Yes, and we will assist you with any info that you want to know. And I say, if you want to request for our warehouse address in China, just contact us and we will help you and give it out to you. My name is Bernard. Till next time. Bye.